Hey guys, it is Demery and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys some keto friendly snacks and options that I actually just picked up at the grocery store today that are must-haves when you're on keto. These are going to make your keto or low carb journey a lot simpler, okay? So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button, follow along on my journey. I would love to support you and give you as many tips and tricks as I can. So here is the first thing that absolutely everybody needs to have in their cupboard while following a keto diet. You want your almond flour. This is your flour replacement, okay? Flour, of course, has tons of carbs and unwanted things when you're on the keto diet. So almond flour is a must. I was running low, so I picked up a new bag. There are several brands out there that you can get that are, really, they're all the same thing. I know some of them are a little bit more finer, more finely ground, I should say, than others. So keep that in mind. I do like the finer one for sure, just because that way you're not getting any chunks when you are using this as your flour replacement. This calls, well, it's great in tons and tons of recipes. Also, it's great for desserts. I really love almond flour in keto cookies, keto cakes. There is so many things that you can make with this. I apologize, you guys. It is nice out here today in Des Moines, Iowa, and we've got our windows open, so you probably hear the traffic, but that's okay. I wanted to share what I just picked up at the store with you guys. So the other thing is butterhead lettuce, and this is a great keto option because of course we want to skip our bun, right? We don't want any buns. Like if you're having a cheeseburger, you want to use a lettuce wrap. One thing that I've really enjoyed lately is just sticking some like cold cut ham, turkey, pepperonis on this with a slice of cheese and making a unwich, if you would, from Jimmy John's. But I just make my own at home with these lettuce wraps. So that is a great option. Let's see what else I got over here. This is great. These are cheese wraps. If you guys have not found these, I know that Aldi a lot of the times carries these. Also, you can find them at a lot of the local grocery stores. They are in like the healthier department. I didn't actually find this in the cheese or dairy department. This was in the health market at my local grocery store, but definitely look for these if you have not already found them. This is Parmesan cheese wrap. You can use them for so many different things. We've made tacos with these. They're delicious. This one is a cheddar one, so yummy, and there is only 1 gram of carbs per wrap, so that is great. 11 grams of protein. This one has, the Parmesan has 13 grams of protein, so those are really great options if you can get your hands on those. The other kind of wrap that I use is carb balanced tortillas. I know that there is a couple different brands of tortillas that are now carb balance or low carb options. So this is not the burrito size. This is just the soft taco. But there is 4 net carbs per tortilla. So we like to make quesadillas. We make homemade enchiladas with these. These are a great option. So next, Rayos marinara is the best, in my opinion, keto friendly, spaghetti sauce. This one's marinara. They do have tons of different variety of flavors, so that's really cool. But we did just pick up the marinara one. There's only 3 net carbs in half a cup, which is a serving of Rayos. So a lot of the time what I'll do is I'll stick some of this on one of these carb balanced tortillas, okay, and then add some pepperonis and some mozzarella shredded cheese, stick it in the air fryer for like 4 or 5 minutes, and you have a delicious personal sized pizza. So that is delicious. Next, this is a great keto snack. If you have not already heard of these, definitely worth a try. Wisps. This is tomato basil. They have tons of different flavors. My personal favorite is the Parmesan. It's just, sometimes one thing that a lot of people are missing with the keto diet is just snack food, right? You don't always want to be whipping it up in the kitchen, and I totally get that. So this is a great option if you just want a little bit of a munch. There's 2 grams of carbs per serving, and a serving size is about 23 crisps. So that's pretty good. No added sugar. These are really great options for snacking on a keto diet. So the other great thing for snacking, if you have more of a sweet tooth, is Lillys milk chocolate style covered peanuts. I think they've got chocolate covered with the Lillys. Almonds, I want to say, or is it walnuts? I don't know. They've got another one like this too, which is a dark chocolate. I'm a milk chocolate kind of girl, so I went ahead and picked up the milk chocolate one. This has no added sugar. If you don't know, Lillys is a keto-friendly chocolate. So they've got chocolate chips, they've got chocolate bars. Lillys is 100% the way to go if you are a chocolate lover like me. So this is a great option for snacking if you've got a little bit of a sweet tooth. Talking about sweet teeth, talking about a sweet tooth, these are amazing as well. These are called fat snacks. There is one net carb, no added sugar, completely keto friendly. It is sweetened with stevia, which is great because if you don't know, you want to stay away from like Splenda and of course regular sugar when you're on a keto diet, right? So these are amazing. This one is lemony lemon. Delicious. And this one is chocolate chip. Now there are 2 cookies in each package, and a full package has 2 net carbs. Well, the chocolate chip has 2 net carbs, and then the lemony lemon has 1. So these are great when you've got a sweet tooth. We all miss cookies, but keto diet can be a lot easier than what you would think. So pick those up if you can find them. I also did grab some fresh bulk almond butter, okay? So if you are going for like an almond butter or a peanut butter, you want to make sure you get all natural. Our local grocery store actually has a machine with the almonds that it grinds it up and makes everything for you fresh right there. That's awesome. If you can find that at your grocery store, I highly recommend doing that. You do want to stay away from like your Jiffy peanut butter or Jif, I'm sorry, I don't even know. I don't even know anymore because I always get all natural for the most part. So, but you want to make sure that you don't do any of those added sugars that are in some of your either peanut butters or almond butters. There's lots of options. So these are great for keto. Next, I've got some keto cereal. Now this is actually something I haven't tried yet. I just found this at my local grocery store today. This is Wonderworks keto friendly cereal. This one is chocolate. They did have a peanut butter and a cinnamon. So this one's like Cocoa Puffs, one of my absolute favorite cereals. I don't know about you guys, but I miss cereal, and I've never been the type to eat cereal in the morning. Even before keto, I was the type to be like, okay, before bed, I need a bedtime snack. I need some cereal. So I really miss cereal. This is a great option to kind of get that back if you're missing that. So 3 net carbs for... let's see, a cup is a serving. So of course you don't want to use regular milk. You do want to go with unsweetened almond milk. I personally pick up the Silk unsweetened vanilla almond milk because I like that little bit of vanilla taste to it. It makes it a little bit sweeter in my opinion. So you want to make sure to use your almond milk unsweetened with your keto cereal. So okay, and then let's get into the couple different drinks that I have. I picked up some sparkling ice. I usually only get a few of these because I don't drink them often, but sometimes I'm in the mood for like a sparkling water, and really sparkling water in general is keto friendly, but I don't like a lot of sparkling water, to be honest. So these I do like though. I like the flavors. There's zero fat, 0 carbs, 0 sugar. There is 5 calories, okay, for an entire bottle, which is great. This one is classic lemonade. I haven't tried that one yet. Yum. Strawberry watermelon. I already know I love that one. And then black cherry. Love this one as well. So that is a great drink option if you are sick of water, okay? Now, when I say sick of water, please make sure to drink at least half of your body's weight in water every single day. And honestly, that goes for whether you're on a keto diet or not, okay? Most of America is chronically dehydrated, so it's actually kind of sad. So we just want to make sure to get our water in, but sometimes you need a little extra something, right? And then super coffee. So for my coffee lovers out there, this is a great option. This is keto friendly. It is, the whole entire bottle is 70 calories. This one is sweet cream, vanilla, okay? It has MCT oil, which if you don't know, MCT oil is great for healthy heart and brain function. It is very much keto friendly, 0 added sugar, and a lot of caffeine. It is sweetened with monk fruit, so again, it's not sweetened with some of those artificial sweeteners like Splenda. Monk fruit, stevia, erythritol, that's what you want to look for in your ingredients. So this is a great option. Tons of caffeine for my caffeine lovers. And then if you are missing your soda, because I'm not gonna lie, even before I was keto, I went for diet pop just because there is so much sugar in regular pop that I just never really wanted to put that in my body. So I always went with diet. But diet, believe it or not, has a ton of those artificial sweeteners that it'll say 0 carb, it'll say 0 calorie, it'll say 0 sugar, but there is added things in there that are absolutely horrible for you, okay? So this is your replacement. This is amazing. This is 0 calorie, and again, it is sweetened with stevia, okay? So stevia is great for keto. You want to really make sure to read the ingredients, you guys, because sometimes something will say keto and it's not, just because of those added sugars that are, yes, 0 calorie, yes, maybe they say 0 carb, but they can absolutely kick you out of ketosis. So you do want to make sure you're careful with that. I picked up the orange one. Honestly, I think all orange pop tastes the same. I think that's why I like this one so much. I don't drink these often, so I just picked up a little 6-pack. But sometimes I do have a little bit of a sweet tooth where I'm craving a soda. Sometimes we'll make a keto-friendly pizza on a Friday night, and I want pizza and soda. So this is what I go for. They've got cola, they've got cherry cola, they've got grape, they've got strawberry, tons and tons of options. So definitely stick with this over diet soda, okay? And that's it. Just kind of a small little grocery haul with some of the good stuff that I found. I hope that this helps out with you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I appreciate all of you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.